Hey guys, McKenna here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to our newest listing, 849 Corbetts Road, located in Oshawa, Ontario. Let's check this one out. You're in for a treat. Let's get this home tour started. Now, welcome to the formal living space. Check out these windows. Can't you picture yourself just cozying up in the winter with a nice cup of something warm? I definitely could. Are you into big get-togethers, having tons of family over, big events within your home? This one's for you. Between the formal living room and the actual living room, the dining room, we've got tons of room for you to have your entire family over. Italians, I'm talking to you. Now that we've moved on into the kitchen, not only do we have our dining room, but we have an eat-in kitchen space as well. Tons of pantry space, and of course, that walkout to the backyard. Welcome to my favorite room in this entire home. I'm gonna give you 3 great reasons to why this room is so spectacular. Let's talk about the vaulted ceilings, the Juliet balcony, and the gas fireplace. Honestly, this room is one to definitely check out. Now let's check out the primary. We've got large windows for a seating area, absolutely perfect when you want to get in that daily reading. We've got a huge bed, king size actually, and this room makes it look dwarf size. 2 closets and a 4-piece ensuite bathroom. And a soaker tub in there with a stand-up shower. You just have it all in this room. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 4. Now let's just do a quick recap. We've got the formal living, formal dining, eat-in kitchen, backyard access from the kitchen, hardwood floors, vaulted ceiling, gas fireplace, main level laundry, 4 bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms. Now, give the Dan Plowman team a call.